What if the reason your tile floors never seem truly clean has nothing to do with how often you vacuum? You vacuum regularly, you clean up messes as they happen, yet somehow dust still appears along grout lines, pet hair keeps finding its way into corners, and your floors never quite look as spotless as you expected. Now let's move to the next. At number 5, we have the KARDV 500-watt one. Of the biggest surprises about tile flooring is how much dirt can stay hidden in plain sight. Everything may look clean until sunlight hits the floor and suddenly reveals dust trapped in grout lines, pet hair tucked against edges, and tiny crumbs scattered across the surface. That's where the KARDV 500-watt begins to shine. Its powerful 40 kPa suction is designed to lift fine dust, pet hair, crumbs, and everyday debris in a single pass, helping cleaning sessions feel faster and more satisfying. The generous 60-minute runtime adds another layer of convenience, especially in larger homes where stopping to recharge can quickly become frustrating. One feature many users will appreciate is the V-shaped anti-tangle brush, which helps reduce hair wrapping around the roller and keeps cleaning moving without constant interruptions. The green LED lighting is another practical touch, revealing dirt hiding beneath furniture and in darker areas that are easy to overlook. Compared with some lightweight cordless competitors, the KARDV delivers stronger suction and a larger 1.5-liter dustbin, though it sacrifices a little compactness when it comes to storage. Add in the sealed filtration system and versatile handheld attachments, and you get a vacuum that feels capable, controlled, and well-suited for families with pets, children, or extensive tile flooring throughout the home. Coming up next at number 4 is the Bissell 2033M. Sometimes the best vacuum is not the one with the biggest motor or the most aggressive cleaning power, but the one you actually enjoy using every day. The moment you pick up the Bissell 2033M, its lightweight design becomes immediately noticeable. At under 4 pounds, it glides around furniture, slips into tight spaces, and makes quick cleanups feel effortless rather than exhausting. Its 3-in-1 design adds impressive flexibility, allowing it to transform from a stick vacuum into a handheld vacuum or stair cleaner within seconds. For apartments, dorm rooms, busy households, and pet owners looking for convenience, that versatility can make a real difference. Despite its compact size, the suction performs surprisingly well on sealed tile floors, collecting dust, hair, crumbs, and everyday debris without scattering particles around the room. The bagless dirt cup keeps maintenance simple, while the included crevice tool helps tackle narrow spaces and overlooked corners. While larger and heavier vacuums may outperform it on deep carpet cleaning, the Bissell 2033M excels where many homeowners spend most of their time handling routine tile floor maintenance quickly, efficiently, and without unnecessary complexity. Let's keep the momentum going. At number 3, we have the LEVOIT LVAC-200 mini vacuums promise effortless cleaning, but after a few weeks of use, hair wraps around the roller, maintenance becomes a chore, and the experience loses its appeal. The LEVOIT LVAC-200 addresses one of the most common frustrations homeowners face with its tangle-resistant design, helping keep cleaning sessions smooth and uninterrupted. Its lightweight construction makes moving through kitchens, hallways, bedrooms, and living spaces feel quick and comfortable, making it particularly appealing for everyday use. The included attachments increase its versatility, allowing you to clean corners, furniture, shelves, and hard-to-reach spaces with ease. Pet owners will especially appreciate the 5-stage filtration system, which helps capture hair, dander, and fine dust before they circulate back into the room. The washable filters and detachable roller also help reduce ongoing maintenance costs, adding long-term practicality. Compared with some heavier cordless models that focus on extended runtime, the LVAC-200 prioritizes agility, convenience, and ease of use, making it a strong option for busy households and apartment dwellers who want cleaning to feel less like a chore and more like a quick task they can finish without effort. And if one of the vacuums featured so far sounds like the perfect fit for your home, be sure to check the links in the description below for more details and current pricing. Breaking into the top 2, the Eureka PowerSpeed takes the number 2 position. Plenty of vacuums look impressive right out of the box, but the real test comes when tile floors begin collecting dust along edges, pet hair starts building up in corners, and dirt settles into grout lines. That's where the Eureka PowerSpeed earns its reputation. Its upgraded cyclone system is designed to handle everything from larger debris to microscopic dust particles, helping leave floors looking noticeably cleaner after every pass. Despite its strong cleaning capabilities, the vacuum remains relatively lightweight, making it easier to maneuver throughout the home without feeling overly cumbersome. On tile surfaces, it glides smoothly without scratching, while its powerful suction works to pull dirt from areas that many homeowners struggle to keep clean. The 5 height adjustment settings add flexibility when transitioning between hard floors, rugs, and carpeted rooms, making it a versatile choice for multi-surface homes. The included accessories extend its usefulness even further, helping tackle curtains, furniture, ceilings, and car interiors with greater ease. Compared with some stick vacuums that prioritize portability over deep cleaning performance, the PowerSpeed offers stronger pickup and broader versatility, although regular roller brush maintenance is required to keep it performing at its best. For pet owners, families, and anyone seeking a dependable all-around cleaner, it delivers an impressive balance of power and adaptability. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list, we have the Bissell CleanView. One of the most frustrating experiences with tile floors is watching debris scatter across the room moments after you've already vacuumed. Instead of truly cleaning the surface, some vacuums simply push messes around. The Bissell CleanView is designed to solve that problem. Built for homes dealing with pet hair, scattered crumbs, dust buildup, and debris along baseboards, it delivers a cleaning experience that feels purposeful and effective. Its scatter-free technology helps capture debris instead of sending it skidding across hard floors, creating noticeably cleaner results. The triple-action brush roll further strengthens its performance by lifting stubborn dirt and embedded hair with impressive consistency. Everyday usability is equally important, and that's where features like swivel steering make a difference, allowing the vacuum to move around furniture more naturally than many bulkier upright models. Every purchase also supports homeless pets through the Bissell Pet Foundation, giving owners an additional reason to feel good about their choice. Although it can feel slightly heavier than some lightweight stick vacuums during extended cleaning sessions, it rewards that trade-off with stronger deep cleaning performance, making it an excellent choice for busy families, pet owners, and larger homes with extensive tile flooring. The winner of today's roundup is the Bissell CleanView. While the KARDV 500W impressed with its powerful suction and extended runtime, the LEVOIT LVAC-200 delivered exceptional convenience and lightweight handling, and the Eureka PowerSpeed offered versatile performance across multiple surfaces. The CleanView ultimately stood out by delivering the most complete overall package. Its combination of strong dirt pickup, practical features, dependable performance, user-friendly handling, efficient brush system, and spacious dust bin helps make routine cleaning faster, easier, and less frustrating. For most households, it strikes the strongest balance between cleaning power, ease of use, and overall value, making it the most well-rounded option in this top 5 lineup. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best vacuum cleaners for tile floors. If you'd like to learn more about any of the models featured today, you'll find all the links in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more reviews like this. Until next time, the difference between a floor that looks clean and one that truly is clean often comes down to the vacuum you choose.